Thank you for joining me. I'm Alex, and I want to talk about Walgreens today. So, Walgreens does pharmacy and retail. I would say mostly pharmacy, and then people can buy stuff while they're there. Obviously, considering the prices, they're not really known for the retail part. Current price $41.52, which gives them market cap of $36 billion. Dividend yield is 4.57% with a payout ratio of 215%, which is obviously not great. Revenue slightly up to $137 billion, earnings slightly down to $3.9 billion, and slightly down is 20%, so it's fairly significant, but it doesn't seem to be that significant going forward because current PE is 48 with a forward PE of 8, which is obviously amazing, and that would also push down the payout ratio to 40-ish. So decent payout ratio if they get to a PE of 8. Total assets $67.6 billion, total liabilities $43 billion, which gives them a total stockholders' equity of $23.5 billion, which is slightly down, which is obvious when you have a payout ratio of 215%. So overall, obviously for a growth investor, the 4-ish% revenue growth isn't significant enough to actually buy this. For a dividend investor, I think it looks pretty interesting with a 4.57% dividend yield and a payout ratio that should be fairly low, all things considered, if they hit their forward PE target. The balance sheet doesn't look terrible. Obviously, it's not great either, but definitely it's not a bad balance sheet, and I wouldn't deduct points for that. Not that there are points. So I think it's a very interesting stock for a dividend investor, and for a value investor, obviously the current PE is so amazingly high that I wouldn't recommend it. But if they hit a forward PE of 8, then I think this stock is very interesting with a nice PE, a nice dividend, a decent-ish balance sheet, to be honest, and revenue growth of So overall, I think for a dividend or a value investor, this is a pretty interesting stock, and I think that I'll consider buying it myself. That's it for me for today. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I'm coming out with more videos every day before market open. I hope you have a successful day.